So this is pretty cool. Anime eyes. That's pretty good. That's pretty damn good. What if I like when I squeeze my face together, right? Like it's actually reading it. So that's pretty neat. It's definitely very expressive. There's also a lot of room for improvement. That's pretty cool though. This is something like, I don't know, when I was a kid I'd do this in the mirror where it's like if I'm just looking at my eyes the entire time, like my whole body is kind of rotating around my eyes, and that's cool that you can do something like that. I'm gonna squint. I'm gonna be angry. Be like, no. Okay, so obviously lots of room for improvement, but it's very cool. I mean, I just looked over there for a second, just like kind of randomly, and the fact that you can see that, like someone else could see that, is really interesting. I'm very interested in how they did this. There's actually something that they released called the Movement SDK. I think it's part of what they call the Presence platform, which is basically a bunch of software tools that enable you to utilize the functionalities of like face tracking, the hand tracking, the eye tracking, all of that stuff in Unity with the OVR integration. I'm going to mess around with that for sure. So far right now, I'm going to just like look around in a circle. I'm interested to see what that looked like. I'll do it a little more slowly. Cool. Well, I hope that's interesting video. Yeah. Thumbs up.